are shooting stars. We shouldn't be running. We should be making wishes. I wish for a pony. Ah! How come your wish came true?
Should I use my medium defense system?
You have a meteor defense system?
I have defense systems for all sorts of junk. Wildfires, floods, people trying to read my thoughts. The people trying to read my thoughts one is exactly the same, but with tinfoil trim. Someone left it to my house. A letter, huh? I don't know. Paper folded over itself? What's it hiding? What's it hiding?
Styx, you've been nominated for an Awardy Award.
You really need a better name for that thing.
I can't make it.
What? Why not?
Well, you know, I'm slammed this week. See? Tomorrow, rummage through garbage. Wednesday, rummage through garbage. Thursday, gets in the shop. Friday, rummage through garbage. I book solid.
This is an honor of a lifetime.
You might even win a shiny trophy. Love shiny things.
I do love shiny things. But no.
Styx, are you afraid to go?
Afraid? No, of course not. No way. Nuh-uh. Nope. A little.
Styx, there's nothing to fear.
Look at me. I'm a feral badger. I'll embarrass myself.
Don't worry, you'll be fine. I'll teach you how to be a lady.
A lady? The thing that holds garbage, right?
No! A lady is a polite, sophisticated member of society. And you can be that. Lesson 1. Don't discuss garbage.
I'm out.
Come on, you can do this.
Okay, I'll try.
Great! A proper lady requires an escort for the gala.
Why do I even bother with you guys?
Please, I don't want to embarrass myself in front of fancy folk.